I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate products to your Wix website. It's pretty simple. As you can see, this is my website, www.weldingandstuff.net. First, you go to Wix, www.wix.com, and my password and everything is already stored, so it's logging on. You notice it put right here, I need to set that up, payments. I haven't had time yet. So you go to manage, and you can either go here also, edit site. So you can click on the edit site. And right here, you can click on edit sites also again. So now it's fit to go to your part to where you can start adding links and stuff from Amazon, eBay, whatever you want. As you can see right here, you go here to the top, you click that, and you can go down. I'm gonna go to my best sellers. Once you click there, this is my best sellers page. So you can Control D and copy, click on this, hit Control D. I like doing that because it's already sized. And once you can do that, you just move it into place you want. And I'm gonna go to my Amazon page. And let's go ahead and add this watch right here. So you click on it, and you go to the top where it says text and image, and you hit Control C, just copy this link and go back to your Wix page, and you click on it and hit the edit code and just hit Control V to paste it. And as you can see, it changed. And it's another way you can do this also. You go up here and hit the plus and go down to more and come here to the top and click and drag it to where you want it to go. Once you get right there, you can hit the edit code and you can paste that link in again. Now you need to just go ahead and just resize it like you want. That's why I like to go ahead and use Control D and copy one that I have and just replace the information. So let's go to Amazon again. We're gonna add another product in here. Let's add a generator. So you pick the generator you want. We're gonna go here and pick this generator here. Text and image. Hit Control C and copy that link. And you can come here, either you can double click. As you can see, it's already open. I'm gonna double click right here to show you. And it opens it up. And the only thing you have to do is Control V and paste it. Okay, and once you do all of this, we're gonna do a preview. We're gonna click on the preview, and I'm gonna click on this watch. So once you click on it, once you're on my page and click on it, it takes you to the Amazon page. And if you purchase, I get a small percentage. So once you finish editing your page, just go to save and publish and hit done. And that's really all to it. So let's go to a new window and just see how this website was look, the incognito. So I'm gonna type in www.weldingandstuff.net, and we're gonna click on up here on the top on my best sellers. And if you scroll down, you would notice that the watch and generator was added. So that's all to it. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.